Hi there. So this video covers the operation of a White Rogers water heater, and this one is complicated. It has a vent on top. It has a White Rogers control for temperature. Anyway, in case you lost your manual or there's some things you need to know because your water heater is not coming on, we can review this manual and see what's in it. This manual is hard to find, and let's take a look at it. So this part's for the installer, not really useful. Not really useful to us. Not terribly useful. So your water heater's not coming on. Let's go through some of the diagnostics you might want to use to fix it. So this is still installer stuff. Let's get down to something good. Here's a diagram of the system right here, which might be useful to see. You can stop the video and do a screen capture of that. And here's the wiring diagram, which might be interesting to take a peek at. Again, you can stop the video and do a screen capture and print on that. But what I want to cover is the actual thermostat settings and the thermostat and why this thing will not fire up sometimes. So there's the thermostat right there, and they talk about how to operate this thing, so you can do a screen capture on that. And this is useful. There's some temperature settings on the thermostat for the degrees. And here's a flame figure for making the flame blue. Okay, and you should be draining your water heater once in a while to get sediment out. Actually, that's the relief valve. You can fire that up, make sure it works. There's an EV sensor, I think, for the flame. Wiring diagram for the thermostat. Here's some more for the burner assembly. How to clean your burner up. In my case, the water heater simply wasn't running. And combustion chamber. Okay, so this page is probably the most useful for your water heater here. So these are basically codes that will come off the thermostat. So if the thermostat finds a mistake in its wiring or its sensors, it will throw these codes up on the screen. And if you're seeing these codes, this is what they mean right here. So you can do a screen capture on this. Okay, so there's our LED status for this first one. No ground, number 1. Number 2, high resistance in the power supply. Number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6 here, and again, this was troubleshooting. Next page. There's a lot of troubleshooting here. So this is interesting, number 7. That was 7, 8, 9. Here's 10. $11. There's 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. Now here's some basic troubleshooting stuff here. So you have no hot water. So you can go through these steps here, the cause and the fix. Okay, not enough hot water. So there's a lot of stuff. This is a complex system. Vent pipe too hot. And the rest of these aren't really critical to the operation of the water heater. Here's something about odors and such. And that's about it. If you want to change the temperature, you hold the two arrows down for about, I think, 5 seconds, and it will allow you then to use the arrows up and down to change the temperature. Here's some parts for the water heater. That can go bad, I suppose. There's a nice illustration there. Repair parts list. And that is about it. So what I found in mine was, if it wasn't starting, what I could do is unplug it. So unplug the vent motor, and this wire here goes down to your thermostat. So unplug this thing up at the wall socket, and then this will go out. You'll get no more lights here. And then let it wait 20 seconds and plug it in. When you plug it in, if you have air codes, they'll show up. And what I found is you could hold the two buttons down for 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 5 seconds, and then change your temperature. If you hold the buttons down for, like, say 30 seconds, all the buttons start to blink. And I think at that point there's a reset code, or not. But another problem with this thing is, if you have fumes in your garage, like you have turpentine or gasoline or something, or natural gas, it will sense that and not turn the water heater on. And it'll try this 3 times. And after 3 times, if it doesn't like the gas in your garage, it will wait for an hour and try again. So in this case, open your garage door and remove the paint and other paint thinner, other things from the garage, put them somewhere else and try again. It also will start if the igniter's bad or if the gas supply is low. And if there's problems with the vent on top of the water heater, if that thing's not working right, it's a complex system. Anyway, I hope these trouble codes have helped you diagnose your problem, and as usual I say, have a great day.